alongside a boat, pushed onto the dock. The only thing I can give you right now is, because we have a regatta this weekend, there is an amel here on the inside of the T. Now, I would say you could go here, and there is a ball here, and you can tie onto that, and tie onto the boat, and tie onto the dock. But for the rest, we are full.
There is just great selection of marine parts and supplies in stores like Budget Marina and Island Watcher World. The collection of books about marine life for kids and travel guides is great too, so you grab some as well. What can I say about custom and immigration here on Dutch side of the island? Actually, it was the worst experience ever. Honestly, if we didn't have to fix some things, we'd better go further and find more attractive and hospitable destination. To get to Simpson Bay, you have to go through the opening bridge.
Esse é uma compra, não?
Я копаю в бинокль, чуть темно.
ManaKai, over. Simpson Bay Bridge, ManaKai, over. Good morning, sir. We would like to inbound, and we standing by, waiting for your schedule.
Roger, Roger. Please stand by. Channel stand by.
We are inside Simpson Bay. We just inbound the bridge, and we would like to anchor somewhere and find the marine and repair services here. There are a lot of damaged boats after Hurricane Irma. This hurricane struck the island greatly, and it's still repair and recovery.
I wanna know you, wanna feel how fast my heart would beat if you were close to me. I wanna show you, wanna let you loose inside my brain to see if you'd run or stay. Wanna know you, wanna feel how fast my heart would beat if you were close to me. I wanna show you, wanna let you loose.
For the warranty,
Okay.
you get a 2-year warranty
But if you go online and register this product with Irma, they give you an additional
1 year, yeah.
year for another
Oh, yeah,
cost. So it's documenting everything.
Yes. Okay, go ahead. Your access is easier than mine.
Yeah, I think so.
Sint Maarten is a great place to do repairs and boat maintenance. They have high qualified professionals here: mechanics, electricians, technicians, sailmakers, and so on.
You can live there? Should I pass?
Oh, yeah.
O sea, we talking about out the water.
It's difficult to learning diving. It's difficult to learning. It's difficult to learning diving.
Yeah?
Difficult.
It's not easy. Give you a video, a book, read it. It's very easy. Remember, when we in the mother belly, for 9 months we in the water.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah? Only in 2 days, but it's depend of you. No? If you have long time, we can do it 1 week.
Don't make this hard. It ain't gotta be so tough. We can figure it out. At least that's what I tell myself now. And I ain't tryna be bold, but we've got another love story untold. Tell me again that you wanna be more than friends. Hey, what's up? How you doing? When you talk, it's more than fluent. On my page, I saw you choosing. Yeah, I saw you choosing. That's what's up. Boy, let's do it. Smoke a vibe, ooh, let's cruise. Get exclusive on the night. This could be real simple love. The stars are working for the both of us. It's cool, we don't have to rush it. I want you to stay, taking the time, make it amazing. Everything happens for a reason, they say. Gonna make your move. I done gave you the green light, do what you do. If you take too long, you gon' turn around and I'll be gone. If you're feeling the same, then there's no reason we should wait. Well, I plead my case. Now it's your turn, you got something to say.
It's so strange feeling to see this devastating amount of damages everywhere. Once we went for a walk to Port de Plaisance. It used to be a gorgeous marina for hosting mega yachts. These days, it's destroyed by Hurricane Irma and looked abandoned. The feeling as you find yourself in the middle of the movie about deadly epidemic that wipe away humanity out of Earth. So weird. You could clearly and lively imagine how beautiful and prosperous this place was before, and now that gone. The life have been divided into before and after for a little bit than couple hours of the element raged. The same feeling of regret were while numbers of sunk boats of all times, from luxury yachts to small monohulls, were met on the way.
How you doing? When it's up, it's more than fluent. On my page, I saw you choosing. Yeah, I saw you choosing. That's what's up. Boy, let's do it. Smoke a vibe. Ooh, let's cruise. Get exclusive on the news. Sleep it in, hit the snooze. This could be real simple. It's gonna be simple. The stars are working for the both of us. It's cool, we don't have to rush it. I
French side of Sint Maarten was dramatically different from what we saw in Dutch side. It had the feeling of a fashionable and attractive but now empty Riviera support. And the next visit we definitely would prefer to anchor out on French side. But now we were wandering around, sightseeing and walking from Marigold's waterfront with a long dock and ferry terminal and fancy West Indies Mall up to Fort Louis for marvelous picturesque view.
When the sun goes down tonight, there'll be one thing on my mind. Want to discover a part of me, set me free. Oh, when the sun goes down, and when I come around, riches they'll turn to dust. Life without wanderlust, that is some hell to know.